The Snæfellsnes Peninsula offers an incredible variety of Iceland's natural wonders, all packed into this one region. From volcanic craters to glaciers, lava fields, and black sand beaches, this place has it all. It's no wonder the Snæfellsnes Peninsula is one of the country's top travel destinations for nature lovers. At the tip of the peninsula, you'll find Snæfellsjökull, the glacier-capped volcano that inspired Jules Verne's classic novel Journey to the Center of the Earth. The area is full of rich history, Icelandic folklore, and stunning views, making it a must-visit on any trip to Iceland. Snæfellsvegur Sword Bridge. As you can see from this aerial footage, the bridge gets its nickname from its sword-like shape when viewed from above. The long, narrow stretch of road looks just like a sword cutting through the landscape, with the handle-like curves on either side. But the sword bridge is just the beginning. A short drive away is Kirkjufell, one of Iceland's most photographed mountains. It's a stunning sight that draws photographers and nature lovers from all over the world. Then there are the Lóndrangar Basalt Cliffs, which rise dramatically from the ocean, creating a striking geological feature you won't want to miss. If you're into black sand beaches, this region has some of the best, offering stunning coastal views along the way. The Snæfellsnes Peninsula is about a 2-hour drive from Reykjavík, making it an easy and scenic day trip. If you're planning a trip to the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, here are a few tips to make the most of your journey. The best time to visit is during the spring and summer, when you can enjoy hiking and the lush green landscapes. But if you're lucky enough to visit in the winter, you might catch the northern lights dancing above these iconic locations. Keep in mind that road conditions can be tricky, especially in winter. The roads here are generally accessible, but it's always good to check the weather forecast and road conditions before you set off. Also, no matter what time of year you visit, pack some warm clothing. Iceland's weather is unpredictable, and it's always good to be prepared for a sudden change in temperature. In my experience, the sword bridge looks even more impressive from the sky. As you can see from this drone footage, the landscape is absolutely breathtaking, with the bridge seamlessly blending into the surrounding nature. The contrast between the road, water, and the rugged Icelandic terrain is something you just have to see in person to fully appreciate. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of fun facts. The Snæfellsjökull glacier is not only famous for its beauty but also for its place in Icelandic folklore. Many locals believe this area is home to the Huldufolk, or hidden people, who are said to live in the rocks and hills. Whether you believe in these legends or not, the magical atmosphere of the region is undeniable. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the Snæfellsnes Peninsula and the Sword Bridge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures from around the world. See you in the next video.